Old Jeans Upcycling Tutorials by Miarti. Place the paper pattern on the denim, cut out 2 main pieces, and transfer the pleat markings onto the fabric. Form the decorative pleats on both sides of the pieces and secure them with sewing clips. Secure the pleats with a straight machine stitch. Place a narrow elastic band, 20 centimeters, along the center line of the piece. Stitch the elastic along the center on the wrong side using a straight machine stitch to form gathers. Prepare 2 interfaced denim strips, 32 by 9 centimeters. Fold the edges toward the center and secure them with sewing clips. Sew straight machine stitches 0.3 centimeters from the edges. Place the handles and belt loops with D-rings onto the top of the denim pieces and secure them with sewing clips. Stitch the handles and belt loops with D-rings to the top of the pieces using a sewing machine. Cut out 2 lining pieces, 22 by 18 by 24 centimeters, and 2 interfaced denim strips, 25 by 23 by 6 centimeters. Align and stitch the interfaced denim strips to the top of the lining pieces with a straight machine stitch. Press the seam open and sew a top stitch on the right side. Install magnetic snaps in the center of the top side of the denim lining facings. Align the main denim pieces with the lining pieces, right sides together, and stitch the top edges with a 1 centimeter seam allowance. Sew a top stitch along the upper edge of the denim piece. Fold the pieces right sides inward and stitch on a sewing machine, leaving an opening in the bottom of the lining for turning. Box the bottom corners of the bag and stitch them on both sides. Carefully turn the bag right side out through the opening and edge stitch it closed on the sewing machine. Tuck the lining inside the bag and smooth out all corners and seams. Final reveal: a stylish, compact handbag made from old jeans, 22 by 15 by 6 centimeters.